back to my channel. This is Skylar with an E. Thank you, Mom, for coming on my channel. This is Leah.
Hi.
And today we are going to be making cupcake flowers.
Cupcake liner flowers and coffee filter flowers. So we're going to add on to our last flower projects, and we're going to make some of these really simple, really fun cupcake liner or coffee filter flowers. These are really great for the kids to do because it's super easy. They're really great. You can use them for a lot of things. This one's cute as like a grandma present, like a little corsage or button if you want to give it to them. These ones look really pretty on top of a package if you've wrapped something really beautifully and you want a birthday present. I want to think it. We're going with our daisy theme still, so we're doing yellow middles, but let's show you how we make cupcake liner flowers. So first, we cleaned out a drawer, and
I can make so many cupcakes with these. Like, we've so many.
So many.
From just like over the years.
So you want your liners to sort of get a flowery edge. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold them in half. I have two here. Fold them again.
Messy again.
And a third. And then fold them one more and time, so you get a nice little wedge cut, just to make it look like a raindrop.
I like to do mine more pointy because
she's making daisies.
So you can do either.
Either or, it's all up to you. Super easy. Since I did two at a time, see, this big flower. You're going to separate them, sort of puff them up, and we're just going to start to layer. So I already had this one made, so I'm going to layer this one, and then I'm going to take some other colors, and just keep layering. Change the shape of the petal, so we'll make this one a little more pointed, like Skylar was saying. I'll make this one really pointed, just to give it contrast. And then you can take little ones. These ones have Olaf, and mine won't Olaf, so you just flip them inside out.
Okay, this time I'm making mine more fluffy to make it more like flowery.
I don't know why we have Olaf cupcake liner.
It was from grab bag bags from Michael's.
Michael's sometimes does a grab bag, that's true. Some of these cupcake liners could have been in those. We
have like probably like 3 or 4 containers of Olaf.
Yeah, of Olaf, so
bags of just.
But sometimes it pays to grab one of those grab bags.
I think we had a frozen party or something.
We might have had a frozen party. So we're gonna go super easy today, and we're just going to staple it together. Nice little stack.
I could glue them all at once.
No,
you can
make it perfect. Like if you want to situate them together, like that looks good. You know that's safe, and you know you put this one.
So you just stapler.
And then your staple, yeah. I'm gonna open it up. It's easier if the bottom pieces are really flat and in the right shape you want them, the right layering. See, so
how do I make it like that?
So you're just gonna want to fold up on your staple. So which way your staple's going. So you just want to fold it up, see, and just sort of fluff them, but give them a nice fold so they're not flat anymore. So you sort of pinch underneath there.
Oh.
Want to do that? Try that. Yeah. And then you want what color in the middle?
Yellow.
You can use anything in the middle. We have pom-poms. We're a little pom-pom crazy here.
Yes.
Cute little pom-pom. Kind of looks like a cupcake. Ta-da!
Okay. Ta-da, it's a pineapple. beautiful flower.
Now, coffee filter, you do the same thing. It's just on a larger scale. So we're gonna, oh, this one's already like, cut like a flower. So that's the way you get a lot of fluff, is if you really separate them and then sort of replace them.
I need a layer of pointy and then a layer of round. So I changed it.
Pinch that fluffy look. You could get twist tie if you want. If you really want them fluffy, like if you're putting it on a package, a twist tie is a nice way to use it, because then it gives it that fluffy look. We're putting ours on the wall, so we're going to go ahead and staple them. But I'm going to staple it not flat. I'm going to staple it in half, like this instead.
Like that.
Yeah, and then I'm going to fold it in half the other way and staple it on the diagonal. And then, so it gives it sort of that raised look. Then again, you can put anything in the middle. We're going pom-pom state. Oh, I'll put a white center, like a paper center. That is a coffee filter flower. Our little crafts for today. Super easy. Do it with the kiddos. You know what's a cool thing too with these coffee filters is you could sort of soak them in water and food coloring, and you can make them pink or blue or green or whatever your color scheme is. Like I said, we're going daisy, so everything's white and yellow for us.
Thank you guys so much for coming to Crafty Things today. Thank you, Mom, for being here. You can follow us here at Skylar with an E and at Leah's Flowers. And go hit the red subscribe button so then you guys can keep watching my videos. And hit the like button so then I know that you like this particular video. And go turn on the post notification bell so then you know when I post. Thank you guys so much. Stay safe and inside. Bye. Have a wonderful day.